it's really important for the church to be at Pride because where the people are, the church should be also. I'm Sarah Jones and I'm the Vicar of St John the Baptist in Cardiff. And what Pride means to me is it's an opportunity for people who sometimes are discriminated against or told they're not worthy of God's love. It's an opportunity for them to celebrate who they are and to see other people doing the same. I'd like everyone who's been at Pride to realise that they're very, very welcome in the church in Wales and in other churches throughout Cardiff. Here at St John's, we're right in the heart of the city centre and we're an open, inclusive, welcoming community. And if anyone wants to come and explore whether God can make a difference to their lives, we'd really be pleased to meet them after they've been to Pride. I hope everybody has a happy Pride. I hope they have a great time and I hope that in the week that follows they can feel good about themselves, the things they've done and realise that they matter in this world.